Okay, we're going to do a complete disassembly take apart on the new 9800 Torch. And as you can see, it's on and working. So we'll go ahead and remove the battery cover. Just slide it down and then it just slips right off. Battery out. Remove the little warranty tab. Use a T6 screwdriver. Remove these bottom four. Now slide it up. And you'll now want to remove the bezel. It just clips off. You can use a pry tool if you need to. If not, you can just use your fingernails. And it just slides right off the top of the slider screen here, like that. And then there's two more screws up top with the T6 screwdriver. Remove those. The middle plate chassis will just pull right off. Just be gentle with it though. Now, there's a flex cable here. Remove that. This sticker for the LCD that connects it to the motherboard just peels off. And then the flex just unclips. Like so. This flex cable unclips. Like so. And then you lift this up gently, and the antenna is just on the underside of this. Unclip it. And your motherboard's out. You now have to peel back the sticker here. You'll see 3 screws, and there will be 3 screws exactly the same on the other side. You'll need a T3. The other side. And now, your flex cable that connects your slider screen to the phone. Just make sure you guide it through the hole here. And you now have it disconnected. Now with your T3 screwdriver, remove the 2 top screws. Slide this up. You'll need a T1 screwdriver to remove these 2 screws here. These 2 here, T3 screwdriver. And this black little plate just comes off. You now have your trackball, your sensor pad here. Your button keypad flex is right here, and it comes over top of the trackball, the trackpad flex. So you have to unclip it. And then to remove your trackpad, you take these little clips out. Like so. And your trackpad will just slide out afterwards. And now you need to remove the digitizer screen on the front. So lightly with some sort of pry tool, not anything that was going to damage your digitizer or the bezel. Lightly lift up the digitizer screen. Don't lift too much up the top here because the flex cable that's connecting it is located right here. There you go, and there's 2 more screws up the top here, which you will need the T3 for. This back plate. Comes off. You just need to separate the flex that's attached here. And then lightly remove the sticker that's over top of the digitizer screen flex. Just lift this clip up right here on this end. Lightly lift this up. It's just a sticker, so it's stuck on there. And it'll just slide right out of there. And on your digitizer screen, it'll come right off the front. And to get the LCD out, it's quite simple. You can stick a pry tool in. If your LCD isn't broken, I wouldn't recommend you do it because they are pretty flimsy. So I'm just going to leave it in right now, but it's not attached to anything else. It just pops right out. There's the flex for it right here. And that's the take apart.